Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I am here with the text classification in the natural language processing, and we are going to perform this with the help of ChatGPT. So let's see how we can perform this. So first of all, let's check that what is exactly the text classification. What is classification? Sorry, I inserted a wrong prompt, but this is the advantage of chat gpt, it will correct you. So the text classification refers to the process of categorizing or labeling textual data into predefined classes and categories. Okay, fine. So in the text classification we train a machine learning model and a label data set. Okay, fine. So to perform this we need to have several steps. First of all, if we have a data set, we need to prepare it. Data preparation involves handling the outliers and performing if there are any kind of anomalies. We remove those outliers or anomalies, and after that we check for this. If there are any null values in the data set, then we replace those values. So then we extract features, and after that we train models and then evaluate it, and then we predict it. So since we are going to use chat gpt for this purpose, so let's ask chat gpt how we can perform this in Jupyter notebook. How we can perform this in Jupyter notebook. Okay, so first of all it is saying that install nltk. Okay, it has provided us with all the required steps. Then it is saying us to install the scikit-learn or tensorflow, then numpy, but we don't need these instructions. Can you provide me with the code? Can you provide me with a simple code? Okay, I have no idea what it is going to provide us. So first of all, okay, ChatGPT is referring us towards the movies underscore reviews dot csv. Basically, this is a very famous data set which is available on Kaggle and other websites. And from that, it is going to extract reviews and sentiments. After that, it is going to apply the vectorizer on it, and then it will predict it. But I don't have any kind of data set. So, this is the not approach which I am looking for. I don't have any data set. Can you make it simple for learning process only? Okay, now it will, most probably it will give me an example. So what it has done, basically in the previous code it was taking the labels and reviews from the dataset, but in this chat gpt has understood that I don't have any kind of dataset. So it took the sample reviews and sample labels, and after that it applied the code on it. So let me check this. I'm very interested in this project. So let me make a new file here because this is my sixth tutorial. So I am going to name it as 06 and text classification. Okay, fine. This is present in only one cell, so I'm going to copy it and then I will split it as per my requirement. So let me make few more cells and let me paste it here. And now there is something wrong with it. There should not be anything wrong with it. Okay, fine. Basically it was taking some time. So I have separated the imported libraries, then I'm going to separate reviews and labels, and after that I am going to separate feature extraction feature, then I am going to separate the train and test. Okay, I have separated all of this text as per my convenience. So I think it's enough. Let me rename my file with the zero text classification. These files are available on my GitHub. So let's see what kind of errors we get from it. Okay. First step is to run the libraries. In this, we are using count vectorizer, train test split, and multinomial NB. Okay, first step is fine. In the second step, we have reviews and labels. In the third step, we are going to apply the vectorizers. Then we are going to split the dataset. We have successfully splitted it. And after that, we are going to train the model and evaluate the model. And it will predict the accuracy and other kind of things. So, okay, fine. Okay, very, very well. So, it has provided us the accuracy of zero point 0.5 and the output is negative and the new prediction is also negative. This movie is fantastic. Basically this movie is we trained our label as the if this movie is amazing then it should give us the positive label, but when we replace the word fantastic with the amazing with the fantastic, it gave us the negative one. So let me replace it with amazing and it's worth the money. Okay, so let's see. We have now the context of this is in positive way. So let's see what it gives us. Okay, very fine. It is now very fine. It has performed well on the dataset. The prediction is positive, but the new prediction is not well enough. Since the accuracy is zero point 0.5, it is not well defined and well accurate model. So that's why its prediction is not good. But the text classification performed by the ChatGPT so far is good enough. So I can ask ChatGPT to replace this code. So let's see. Okay, the accuracy of model is 50%. Can you provide me any better model? So let's see, ChatGPT will now replace this model and provide me some more. So it is saying if you are looking to improve the accuracy of sentiment analysis model, you can try using more sophisticated algorithms. So let's see, it is going to use now uh, okay, word to vec. Now it is using the word to vec library. So hopefully this time we will have better results. So if let's see, let the chat gpt complete our work. That's the advantage of chat gpt. With the everyday passing, I'm falling in love with the chat gpt definitely. If we master the chat gpt, we can do as much as possible with it. It is very limitless tool and I'm using the basic free version. It is not the chat gpt 4 or the premium version. This is basically the simpler version and the free version which is available to everyone. So it has completed the code. So now let me paste the code in only one single cell. If we have any kind of error, we will ask chat gpt to remove those errors. We don't worry about it. So it is saying that we have got the type error. So we will keep arguing with the chat gpt unless until it has a better solution for us. So it is apologizing for, okay, apology accepted. So let's see, it is now writing very again a very lengthy code. So let's see what it has for us. So it has completed the code. Let me copy it and now I'm going to paste it here. Okay, so let me run this. Okay, sorry, I'm not okay now. So I have replaced this code. The accuracy is 0%, and the basically it all depends upon the data set. We have very limited data set here, so it is showing the accuracy as 0, but its prediction is uh, well defined. So this movie is fantastic. It's worth the money. So let me change it, and there is no any kind of change in the review. So basically, chat gpt, from here we can conclude about the input which we obtained from the chat gpt. We use two different models on a very same data set, same reviews and same labels. In the first model, it gave us 50% accuracy. Its prediction was inaccurate, but it accurately measured the text and the sentiment of the text. But the when we asked ChatGPT to provide another alternative code which has the better accuracy, but that model, that algorithm or that code did not perfectly work on our data set. So this can be the case for every data set. Every model has its own limitations, every data set has its own criterias. So we can use chat gpt to take help from it. We can take insights from it. We can learn how we can apply different things on the our required data set. So it is a good to use chat gpt, but we cannot rely 100% on the chat gpt. So I really enjoyed today's video because it challenged me a little bit. Hopefully you would have also liked this video. So if you have any questions, you can ask me in comments. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. See you in the next tutorial.